what a lovely day it is today.
Oh dear, oh dear.
Hello?
Over here. Hola, Bob. I was thinking of bringing my owl to your class, but he won't come down from the olive tree. Can you help me?
It's okay, Miss O. I think the owl is a bit shy. Why don't we bring him to class another day?
Okay, you're right. He is a shy guy. Shall we go straight to the class then? I have a lot of things to share with them.
Outstanding! The kids are overexcited to meet you. Hey kids, let's give a warm welcome to the one and only Miss O!
Good morning, Miss O. Hola, kids. Are you ready to open the door to a new world of learning today? Yes!
So let's begin. Miss O, can you tell us some things which only start with the letter O?
Of course, Bob. Like my pet owl, Otto. I wish he was here to say hello to you, kids. But you see, he is shy. Oh, Otto, I am overjoyed to see you. Ox. Oval. Orange. And my other favorite pet, the octopus.
Ooh! That was outstanding, Miss O. Could you go through it once again, please?
Owl. Ox. Oval. Orange. Octopus.
Thank you so much, Miss O. Today's class has been an ocean of knowledge.
Thank you for the opportunity, Bob.
Now, shall we teach the kids how to write the letter O?
Of course! Let's do it.
Johnny, shall we begin?
I'm ready, Bob.
Start at the top and go around in a longish circle. An oval. Yes, that's letter O. Outstanding. Now, wasn't that easy?
That was the easiest letter we have written. Can I try it again?
Of course. Let's do this again, kids.
I'll start at the top and go around and go round in a longish circle. An oval. And that's letter O. You kids are outstanding. Thank you once again, Bob. This has been no ordinary day.
You are no ordinary letter either, Miss O. Only you could have taught the kids letter O so well. To say a special thank you, we would like to sing you a song.
Ooh, yes!
Oh, 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 you have a big and open heart. Oh, 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 you are cool and really smart. Oh, 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 you are outstanding too. Oh, 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 when you're around we don't feel blue. Oh, 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 take a bow, my dear friend, oh. Oh, 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 there is only one like you. There is only one like you!
Oh my, I am overwhelmed by these kind words.
You are a special one, Miss O. Bye, kids. We will be back soon to say hola with another letter of the alphabet and loads of fun.
Goodbye, kids. I leave only to see you again soon.